up? Yung nagbabaltangan. So, we're gonna do a Yeti showcase. First move, Arctic Club. But it don't have a M1 without transformation. Second move, Frostbite Boulder. Pretty long range. Second move, Glacier Execution. It's make your enemy stun. Third move, Thunder Rush. It's make your move. There is three attacks of this type. On water, it will throw you to facing the water, and then inland, it gonna pick you up and then hit your head 3 times in the floor. And then if somebody's attacking you, it will throw them. He will spin while holding the feet of the attacker and then throw it. And now, the transformation. Do them one. Arctic Clap. It's like the X move. Frostbite Boulder, kinda big but still long range. It's farther than the normal Frostbite Boulder. Second move, Glacier, same as the first said, and then this is the same. Oh no, accidentally transformed. And then still the same attack. And then there's a specialty about here for, doing this thing. There's another. Thank you for watching.